everybody, it's Kelly and I am going to do a Tuesday morning haul for you. So I was at Tuesday morning a couple weeks ago and that is in a town about 40 minutes away from me. And today I went to another Tuesday morning. The one I went to is a little bit closer to where I work, so it makes it like I could go there on a Friday when I have some time. And it's brand new, which is what's so cool about this particular Tuesday morning. So they had a huge aisle of craft stuff and scrapbook stuff, and the paper was displayed really nice, not just in the like wire baskety things that you find a lot of times. It actually had like little display shelves for it, tons of embellishments. There were things that I had seen at the other one, but there were some things that I didn't. I'm going to do paper first, but I will tell you, if you like Maggie Holmes, get to a Tuesday morning, because I saw this at the last one and I saw this at this one. They have a lot of Maggie Holmes paper pads right now. So they had Carousel, Bloom, Gather, and oh, I'm trying to remember. And the last one she had, which maybe not the last one, but Chasing Dreams. So all of those paper pads were there. They had them at the other one as well. But I have had large parts of those collections before. Not that I don't love them, but I'm thinking I might want to just try her new one. And if I decide not to do that, I can always, or decide I want to go back, I can always go back and get it again because it's close enough and they had a lot of them. So let's start with what I bought today. The first thing, and the only paper I actually bought, yay me, because gosh knows I need paper like I need a hole in the head, but don't we all, right? Was the Jenn Hatfield patio party paper. Sorry guys, I'm going to open that up. And I liked this when it first came out, but I didn't get it. My first Jenn Hatfield that I tried was the homemade, which I have, and I haven't scrapped as much with it as I thought, but I think it's more what I have been scrapping just didn't work as well with those photos. It's not that I don't love it. So this is the paper. I'll show this to you so you've got it. It's number 2088725, and this was $6.99. And I'm just going to do a flip through of the papers. So this actually has gold foil on it. So this is the kind of thing that I love. Lots of spots for journaling here. And recipe cards. This is definitely summer themed. So that's nice coming up. Ooh, and a good text print paper. We love text print papers. Well, I love text print papers because they make great backgrounds and great layers. So just a really nice, usable, easy, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's an ombre with turquoise. I looked at the outside and knew that I would like what was in here. So this is the Jenn Hatfield patio party collection. And I just told you I had homemade. Must be, that's what it is. Anyway, whatever, doesn't matter, right? I'm not hauling that. So this is the Jenn Hatfield patio party. Then I'll do a couple of things because I think this actually goes with it, but I'm not positive about that. But it's close enough that I think it does. I'm pretty sure this does. So these, this is the ephemera pack, which was $2.19. $2.19 there. It is 2089091 for those of you who are wondering. And I'm not going to open this. I'm just going to show you lots of ephemera there that you can use. And like the flamingos are on that. There's watermelon. These flowers are there. There's lemons on this. So I think this will be a really cute summer pack. And I can cross between the other die cut pack I have too. So that's that. And then I bought these flowers. They had tons of these. I was thinking about getting more than one, but I only got one. I'm probably going to be back in that area next week. So if I decide, I can always go back and get more. But these are the dimensional flower stickers. I think you guys can see that. It is number 2089146. And I think, I'm not sure that, there we go. Let me get it focused better for you. 208-9146, and that was $1.99. So that goes really well color-wise with the patio party. There's that floral in here. Oh, and I love, she always includes, see, that is the same collection. She always includes really great wood grains in hers, so I love that. Then this also kind of qualifies as paper. They did have the Chamel box of crayons 6x6 pad. I didn't get it because I still have quite a few of the box of crayons papers and all sorts of other things left, so I didn't get it. But I was really excited to see this. This is the writing pad that went with that. So these are all 6x8, and they're journaling papers, really. I saw Chamel use these also as like cutouts and that kind of stuff. I've seen her mount things on it. There's ice cream and gashnos. I do ice cream all the time. So lots of really cool pieces to go with that. And this will work. I think this will work with some of her other collections as well. And then, speaking of box of crayons, they, oops, I have to get this for you. Sorry, guys. It is number, and I think that's more clear. Focus, there we go. 208-8760, and that was $2.99. So $3 for that writing pad with 36 sheets. And that makes me excited. There's crayons in here, more crayons. So that's the first piece to box of crayons. I'll just leave that out there. Then I got these paper clips, the glitter icon paper clips from box of crayons. They were $1.99. I liked them when I saw them, but I just wouldn't spend the money on it. I think these were $5. I just wouldn't spend the money on it because I have a hard time using paper clips, although I like them. These are really usable. I thought for $1.99 I could try them. The one thing I like about these is that it is still like a smaller, like the, I don't love the paper clips where this piece would be the paper clip because then you never see the whole piece. So this I like because it's stuck on. So this is 207-9193. And again, that's $1.99. So there's the two pieces from box of crayons that I got. I also did get another thing from Chamel. I did find the Glitter Girl stickers, and I do have a little bit of Glitter Girl. Plus, that works with her last collection and her new collection coming out. The Glitter Girl stickers do. And I was excited about that. And like I said, I do still have pieces from Glitter Girl. So it's a two-sided. There's some holographic, and I don't think I got these. I'm pretty sure I did not when I bought the collection here. So the number for this one is 202-9466, and that was $1.99. So there's a little bit of Chamel, some stuff I love. Then I got a little bit of Illustrated Faith. These are the She Blooms designer clips. Let me show you that from the other side. And I do a little bit of Bible journaling. I haven't put a video up in a while, but I do it. So, and I have the She Blooms collection, but I don't have these. So I really like those. The number on this is 208-1097, and they were $1.49. So you could even use like things like this and that within your regular scrapbooking, which I sometimes do because these have great flowers to go with them. So that's the Illustrated Faith She Blooms designer clips. Then I found they had a lot of old Amy Tangerine there, you guys. Not as much paper, but I saw embellishments from her very, very first collection. So if you are a fan of Amy Tangerine, get yourself to Tuesday Morning because they had a lot of stuff there from her. So these are the 8 alpha stickers, the Remarks alpha stickers. They're calling it alpha stickers. I'm going to open this because I just looked at this now and I bought them because they're word stickers, not alpha stickers. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it is exactly what I thought it is. So there's they're word stickers. You know, they're word phrase stickers. That's the thing that I want. And I think they're all the same. So they're things like Meet Cute, I Love Right Now. They're in pink, a very light aqua, a gray, and this is a buttery yellow color. Let me see. That might help you see. Well, it actually could be more beigey too, which I don't have a lot of beige, so that's okay. And so these are the 8. It says alpha stickers, but it's really, I can't remember. Anyway, it's really word stickers. That's right. This is from an early collection of hers. I can tell by the colorway here. This is from one of her earlier collections. The number on this is 205-2208, and it's $1.49. So that's a nice little find. Then I bought some washi tape because, you know, I don't have already a full thing of it. But I know I'm on the lookout for more orange. They had some corals, but I decided not to do that. Now, if you look at these packs, they had lots of different washi tapes, but I really looked for things that maybe I didn't have, or they had the beautiful rose gold that I got in my last haul. So go to my haul videos. You can see what I hauled just a few weeks ago as well. So first, they had a couple of these We Are Memory Keeper washi tapes in different colors. This is a yellow, and there is a like a really thin, kind of wonky stripe, and I don't have anything like that. And then this kind of golden buttery yellow, and I'm going to pull this down to give you a better color idea. And I didn't have anything like these two, so I was happy to find that. The number on this is, I think that's focused, 202-8423, and that was $1.99. And like I said, they have other colorways. They had like a turquoisey or minty, and then a coral color. And then I bought this pack. They had quite a few of these. They had a Thanksgiving one. They had a fall one. They had a more wintry theme one and a Christmas theme one. This one is called Happy Fall. It is 8 washi tape spools here, and they are all fall themed. So this bottom one, there we go, to give you a better color idea. The bottom one, and they're like a light greeny here, says Grateful. This one is like a brown, and it has like pumpkins and apples and like fall words. Then there's a leaf print here, another kind of browny beigey one. This one says Happy Fall, and it has a pumpkin. Here's a leaf and flower one. This is another word strip in that brown, and then this is glitter, but it's in that light kind of green. So I'm hoping I'll pull this back a little bit so you guys can pick up on that, but I really like that. Colors that I don't have a lot of those colors, or any, basically, I think. So the number on this is let's see if I can get it in focus for you guys. It's hard for me to tell if this is in focus. 1978473, and it was $3.99. So that was a good deal. There were quite a few of these if you like washi tape or want to invest in washi tape. And last but not least are some stickers. So this is one of my all-time favorite alphabets, and I don't even think I kept this set anymore because I didn't have any really left. It's a bluey glitter. It's the LAX Alpha, and in powder is the name, and they did not have very many thickers left. This store has been open for I think about 2 weeks, and I just found out that it was open. I've been kind of waiting for it, so who knows what they had that I missed, which is fine. I found plenty. So this is the LAX Alphabet in the powder, and the number here is 202-9465. That was $2.19. I bought 2 of them because I love this alpha so much, and it's a great blue. It's actually a powder blue versus a turquoise, and that's hard to find. So that's that one. And then I bought this alpha. So this is one of the, it's a foam kind of enamel-y, but not real shiny. There is some shine to it. It's a smaller alpha too, so you can see in my hand. Not quite as tall and narrow, which I love as well. This is the Memento White, obviously in white. And somehow the pricing sticker got ripped off of it, and I would have paid the $2.19 that I did for the powder, but they were going to go back, and I said, I know it's the only one. I looked. I would have bought another one if they had them because, you know, white alphas are so useful. And if you have alcohol inks, you can color them, which I do not. They did have alcohol ink there, and I was tempted, or alcohol markers. I was tempted, and I thought, no, you're a lazy scrapper. It needs to be in whatever color you're going to do it in. But anyway, so instead of charging me $2.19, they charged me $1.99 because there was no sticker on it. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So guys, that is my haul, and this is the funny part. For all of this, I spent $30. And I do mean I spent $30. It was actually $30 even, which I said to him, I think I need to go play the lottery because, you know, how often does that happen? So anyway, that is my Tuesday morning haul. Hopefully you guys are all great, and I will be back with another video again soon. Bye.